Hello guys, in this video I'm going to try and fix my ZUK Z1. It has a few issues. Fingerprint is not working anymore, and starting yesterday my mobile data isn't working anymore. I just get that exclamation mark right there, and whatever I do I cannot get it to work again. Tried rebooting into safe mode, as some say on forums. Yeah, nothing happens. So at this point I backed up all my data and I'm going to try a factory reset. If that doesn't do it, I don't know, I'm gonna investigate further and see what I can come up with. So yeah, wish me luck. It's freaking working without needing to reset it. As a last thing, I realized I should try with a different SIM card from a different network, and I tried with my wife's SIM card and it's working. So my network provider did something that causes my mobile data not to work anymore on this phone. Calls, messages all work perfectly, I have full signal, but data doesn't work. And of course I did not mess up the settings. So yeah, if you have this issue, make sure you try with a different SIM card and then try to reset your phone. As for me, it was the bloody SIM card or the network provider, which I will be contacting, of course. So yeah, thanks for watching, like, dislike, comment, check out my other videos and see you again in the next one. Bye.